Let me introduce you to our Bridgetek BT820 Development Kit with a 10.1-inch display. This is our high-performance solution built for high-resolution applications. At its core is the VM820C board powered by the BT820B Embedded Video Engine, delivering exceptional graphics capability. It's paired with a stunning 10.1-inch LVDS TFT LCD at WUXGA resolution 1920 by 1200 with capacitive touch for a smooth modern user experience. Here we use the included touch adapter cable to connect the panel to the VM820C, allowing applications to leverage the 5-point multi-touch application to the BT820B. The included flex cable provides the LVDS connection to the VM820C, supporting its high-resolution display capabilities. We connect the LVDS and the touch cables to the VM820C, and the onboard USB to QSPI interface makes it easy to connect to a computer. We can now use our comprehensive free design tools to develop the user interface. Here we load a small example which displays an image. In short, this kit is a complete package giving you everything you need for evaluating, designing, and prototyping next-generation high-resolution graphical interfaces. For more information, click on the QR code.